Imagine if you could understand anyone's mind instantly. Your boss, your friend, even a stranger. Not through magic, but by knowing simple truths about human behavior. Today, I'll show you 5 dark psychology tricks that powerful people use, and how you can spot them, protect yourself, and influence ethically. Trick number 5, the illusion of choice. People love control. That's why they say no when asked directly. Powerful people give the illusion of choice, but both options lead to the same outcome. Example: want to go out with a friend. Don't ask, want to go out? Instead, Pizza Hut or Domino's. They feel free, but you subtly guided the outcome. Brands and leaders use this trick all the time. Trick number 4, the yes ladder. Humans like consistency. Start small, then escalate. Example: want a promotion? Start with, can I join the next client meeting? Then, can I handle part of this project? By the time you ask for the promotion, your boss is used to saying yes. It feels natural. Trick number 3, the guilt trap. Emotions drive action. Guilt is a powerful motivator. Example: need a favor? Don't ask directly. Instead, remember when I helped you last month? I just need a small favor. People act faster when their emotions are triggered. Knowing this helps you spot manipulation and protect yourself. Trick number 2, false memory. Planting. Repeat a statement enough, and people start believing it, even if it's not true. Politicians and marketers use this all the time. Example: we created 5,000 jobs. Might be exaggerated, but with repetition, people remember it as fact. Understanding this makes you more critical of what you hear. Trick number 1, the power of silence. Humans hate awkward silence. Stop talking, and people start filling the gaps themselves. Example: negotiating a discount? Say, so the 30% discount applies, right? And wait. Silence builds pressure. They often agree just to escape it. Silence is simple, but extremely powerful. The bigger picture. These tricks aren't magic, they're just human nature flipped against itself. Understanding them helps you protect yourself, communicate better, and influence ethically. Influence isn't about control, it's about understanding and connection. Next time someone offers 2 options, says yes repeatedly, or uses subtle guilt, you'll know exactly what's happening. Human psychology isn't magic, it's the secret code of behavior. And now, you hold the key.